Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of egg omelette curry. First we have to prepare egg omelette. For that, break 4 eggs into a bowl. Into that, add a pinch of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, little salt and beat it well. Then add around 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion and finely chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. Now pour this egg mixture onto a hot tawa and allow it to cook in medium flame. Flip and cook the other side as well. Once the omelette is cooked well, cut into pieces as shown here. Now to prepare curry, heat a pan and add around 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot enough, add cumin seeds. Now add finely chopped onion and saute until it turns soft. Then add ginger garlic paste. Now add tomato puree. Saute it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Now add coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. If the mixture is too dry, sprinkle a little water. Saute it for about a minute. Then add 1.5 cups of water and salt. Mix it well and allow it to boil. Once the curry starts boiling, drop in the cut omelette pieces. Add finely chopped coriander leaves and give it a gentle mix. Now close and cook in low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, curry is cooked well and has turned semi-thick. Now switch off the flame. Unique and delicious egg omelette curry is ready. You can serve it with rice, roti or chapati. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.